battery's still full. Neat. So this is gonna be a kind of a short vlog. I'm actually getting rid of this thing. The wife said that she doesn't really have a lot of interest in riding this thing, so I think we're just gonna trade it off. I've had a couple people interested in it, and first guy was offered a brand new, well, 2023 XR150L, which is nice and all that. And we were like, okay, yeah, well, we'll take a look at it. And we set up a date for like a week from now. And this morning I got a message from another guy down in Oregon, yeah, who has a CRF 230M, so it's a supermoto, and that's actually what I wanted to get the wife, was a 230 or a CRF in general. I feel like she might outgrow the XR a little too quickly, and with the way things are going right now, I don't think I want to deal with trying to sell or trade off another bike if she does, because hopefully she'll... What are you doing, kid? Hopefully she'll ride the CRF a little bit more, because I'll be able to take her out on rides with me and Tanner. And this thing has, I know it's a supermoto, but it has Shinkos on it, so it's not just a street bike only. But she better ride the damn thing. And so I figured I'd ride this thing to work either today, and then tomorrow I don't work tomorrow. Maybe I'll take it on a cruise or something. But we're having a garage sale tomorrow, or a yard sale, or whatever. We got to get rid of some of the little one's crap, because he's got more toys than I've ever had my entire life. And yeah, and we don't really need that if we're moving cross country. And he only plays with a handful of amount of time anyways, so we're just gonna... That sounds so good. I love the 4B11. I don't care what anybody says. It sounds awesome. And the heads flow a lot better than the 4G. 4G is still nostalgic and stuff. Anyways, sorry, distraction. Evo life. I really want Evo 10 or Evo 9. Don't you dare hit me, Dave. But yeah, so I figured I had to ride this thing to work and get ran over apparently. I'd ride it to work and see, you know, I figured to make a video. Oh, shit. I'm not gonna bleep anything out on this one, because I don't care that much right now. It's just a video of me riding to work. You can demonetize this if you want. I'm not making any money off of it anyways, but good. That's not even an Evo, is it? I can't tell, my visor's down. Sounds good though. Still a 4B11, I think. And yeah, so I just figured ride to work while I can. It's a good little cruise around the town bike and take on the back roads bike. It's not terrible on the highway, but it's a lot easier to ride than my DRZs most of the time, because one, it's got street tires and not dual sport tires. Two, it gets way better mileage than my bike does. I think it's like 70 miles per gallon, and it's a 300, which is insane, because like my old XL only got like 50 something, I think is what it was. I thought that was the bike for a second. I was like, why is that rattling? But it's actually the bus. So I'm probably just gonna upload this one as soon as I get time to. But I don't think I have any videos of this thing like on a cruise. I've ridden it once on a cruise with my friend and brother. Stay there. But I don't know what happened to the footage for it. I don't know if it got deleted or what. It might have gotten deleted. I'm not sure. I've been looking for it. I cannot find it. So it might be just SOL on that. Okay, I'm going this way. You gonna go? No, thanks. I totally forgot to signal because I'm used to not signaling because I'm lazy. Say what you want, I don't care. My stomach hurts. I don't know if that's because I'm hungry, because I didn't eat. Oh yay, this guy's back. But yeah, I figured I'd just go on a quick cruise. Oh shoot, I only got 5 minutes. I was gonna go for a ride down to the road, but whatever. I'm gonna go back to work. I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna probably order food and just eat on a break or something here in a little bit. Because I got home and I had to use the bathroom as soon as I grabbed my frying pan to make something to eat. Or not. So yeah, I didn't get to eat. I had some chips and that was about it. Clutch was shifting because America. I don't know who invented that actually. I have a feeling it was probably not an American. Oh, that did not feel good. Also, I wanted to save some gas, so that's why I rode the bike. I was gonna ride the Suzuki. What the hell are you doing? Jesus Christ. But I figured I'd ride this because it's going away soon-ish. Next few days. And, yeah.